Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, class 4. Yesterday we started the revision of chapter climate. Today I will continue the same chapter. Yes, class? Do you remember? Please take out page number 21. The monsoon. Yes, class? Yesterday we started this chapter, so we'll complete the revision today, inshallah. The monsoon is a seasonal wind that blows from June to September in the subcontinent and across Southeast Asia. It brings rain when it blows across from the southwest over the Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal. The diagram will help you to understand how the monsoon winds cause rain. In Pakistan, the monsoon arrives in the summer. Rain clouds blow towards the west coast and the central plains of India. By the time the monsoon winds reach Pakistan, there is little rain left. Monsoon rains in Pakistan fall between the month of July and September. Winter rainfall is mainly in the north and west of the country, brought by winds blowing over Iran and Afghanistan. By the time they reach Pakistan, there is little rain left. Yes, class 4. Monsoon clouds are monsoon winds are seasonal winds that blows from June to September in South Asia. Yes, please. Repeat the name of months. June to September. From June to September. Yes, class. These winds bring heavy rain from the Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal. Students, in the winter season, the winds blowing from Iran and Afghanistan bring rain. These rain clouds do not bring heavy rain. Look at the map, please. This map is showing the direction of the monsoon winds in Pakistan. Please put your finger on the country named Sri Lanka. Did you find it? Yes, good. The arrows show the rain-bearing wind entering through Sri Lanka. Yes, follow the arrows, please. Then Bay of Bengal. And then look at India. India has so many arrows are here. Means India gets most of the rain, and by the time the monsoon winds reach Pakistan, there is little rain left. Look at the arrows. They are few in Pakistan. Yes, class. Next page. Page number 22. Major climatic zones of Pakistan. Please put your finger on the book. Pakistan is located in the temperate climatic zone, which is neither too hot nor too cold. It has 4 climatic regions as shown on the map on page number 19. Highlands, these are highlands, arid, semi-arid, and coastal. Yes, now read. Highlands. Highlands are mountainous areas. The northern, northwestern, and western highlands fall in this region. They have long, cold, and snowy winters. Summer in north and northwestern mountains are short, mild, and wet, but in western mountains they are warm and dry. Rainfall is the highest in the northern mountains. The western mountains get less rainfall. Next heading, arid. Arid means dry. The areas of southwestern Balochistan and southeastern deserts fall in this region. The climate is dry and hot throughout the year, with hot dusty winds and very little rainfall. Next heading, semi-arid. The areas of Upper Indus Plain, Lower Indus Plain, and Potohar Plateau lie in this region. This region has hot summer, cool winters, and monsoon rain. Next heading, coastal. This region includes Karachi, Makran Coast, and Indus Delta. The climate is humid and mild due to sea breezes throughout the year. Yes, class 4. Major climatic zones of Pakistan. Students, Pakistan is divided into 4 climatic zones. Read along with me the names of 4 climatic zones: highlands, arid, semi-arid, and coastal. Yes, good. Highlands are mountainous areas. Look at the picture of highlands in Pakistan. Can you see high mountains? These areas receive a lot of rainfall. Also, they have long winters and heavy snowfall. What does arid means? Yes, class, arid means dry. Do you know about Thar Desert, which is in Sindh province, and Karan Desert, which is in Balochistan? These deserts are dry and dusty throughout the year. Yes, do you remember? We have read about these deserts in the previous chapter also. Okay, and there is very little rainfall in the deserts. Yes, when it rains, the deserts of Thar becomes green and flowers also begin to bloom. Yes, students. Semi-arid. Semi-arid zones of Pakistan are Upper Indus Plain, Lower Indus Plain, and Potohar Plateau. This region has hot summer, cool winter, and monsoon rain. Dear students, coastal areas I have already explained you, like Karachi, Makran Coast, and Indus Delta are included in these areas. Look at the picture of Gwadar. It has a coastal climate. The climate is humid and mild due to sea breezes. Yes, class 4. Next page, please. What does the weather report say? Why do people look at weather reports and try to predict the weather? One reason is that a weather forecast can help people to protect themselves and their property. If farmers know that there will be no rain, they can arrange to water their crops. Keeping a record of the weather can help us to predict the weather and notice patterns or changes. Government and big companies use weather reports to plan ahead. They need to make sure that demand for resources such as electricity, for example, can be met. We also use weather forecasts to help us decide what to wear and whether to take an umbrella, a sun hat, a coat, or extra water with us when we go out. If we know that a big storm is coming, we can put away our things and make sure they are secure. We also need to know if our planned activities will be possible. For example, it is much nicer to have a sports day on a warm, sunny day. Yes, class 4. Yes, students, do you know about the meteorologist? Yes, a meteorologist is a scientist who studies the weather patterns and can make a prediction by reading the data that has been collected from the weather satellite every day. Have you seen a weather report being shown on television? The weather report shows the maximum and minimum temperature. The maximum temperature recorded during the day and the minimum temperature is recorded or predicted during the night. Weather reports give us predictions or forecasts for the next day. A weather report makes us aware of the weather condition in the area. It enables the farmers to decide on the sowing or harvesting of crops. The farmers must also know about rainfall prediction so that they can make arrangements accordingly. Different organizations of government also study weather in order to prepare in advance for any bad situation like flood, tsunamis, severe rainfall, etc. Yes, class. So, let's read it. Do you remember? Can you see the heading of Do you remember? Yes. Temperature, heat is measured with a thermometer in degrees Celsius. Rainfall is measured in millimeters with a rain gauge. The direction of the wind is shown by a weather vane. Wind speed is measured by an anemometer. Yes, I know you all knows it. A barometer measures air pressure. A hygrometer measures the amount of humidity, water vapor in the atmosphere, in soil, or in small spaces. So, they are the instruments. Dear students, you need to learn their names and also the purpose of using them. Class 4, this is the end of the chapter Climate. I suggest you all to listen to the explanation at least twice. Yes, class? Okay, thank you so much.